So in this question here, I'm simply just writing an equation of a line in slope-intercept form. So remember that slope-intercept form, that's that y equals mx plus b. So where I'm going to start, first I'm going to start by finding my y-intercept. So there's my y-intercept right there at -5. So I'm looking at my answer choices. I can tell you that b is not it because my y-intercept is -3. And the same thing with D. So now I'm left with A and C, and the only thing different about it is the slope. Okay, so let's take a look. So now we're back to finding our slope. So from here, I'm going to choose 2 points. Probably going to use my intercepts. So here I have -3, -5, and I'm going to draw my slope triangle. Okay. And I'm going to count down. So my change in my y, I'm going down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going down 5 over 1, 2, 3 over 3. So I'm going down 5 over 3, which means my slope is -5/3. So I'm looking for an equation of a line with a slope of -5/3 and a y-intercept of -5, and C is my answer.